Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We put this pillow cover for kitten and here that's dustpan side so that kitty inshallah ta'ala will not fall. She's playing here. Kitten. Mashallah kitten. A kitten is playing. Oh. Here my bottles are there. This is my bottle spray to plants. That is another bottle I kept it to store water, but now water is in that. Yes, now most of the time I spray to my plants because then ground people, floor people having problem. They're telling water is falling down them and
Kitty,
so such problems are there.
kitty.
As I mostly spray to my plants.
I'm looking kitty.
Kitten, say kitten. Mashallah kitten, see. We spreaded this pillow cover, so now kitten is playing, mashallah. I don't have much milk, otherwise I would have given her, but I don't have myself only much. Inshallah ta'ala when it will come more. Anyway, she drinks her mother's milk now, so alhamdulillah, that's good. Kitten.
Kitty. Kitty. Melaliu.
Kitten.
Piling.
Oh my dear little kitten, what are you doing? I'm playing, my dear teacher ma'am. You're playing. Kitten, look up. Oh, mashallah, so cute. Lying down. Kitten. Kitty. Yes. Kitten. See, this is called hind limbs and forelimbs. This is claws. This is not claws. This is claws. No, it's called paws. This is called paws, and then she has nails. From the species of the lion, lioness. These are tigers, lioness species. It is cats. Resembles them only. See, are stretching. Oh, mashallah. Kitten. Dear little, what are you doing? I'm playing. Dear teacher ji ma'am, Mrs. Shabanaz Khan, teacher ji ma'am, I'm playing. Mashallah. See, we spreaded this, no? So that kitten, pillow cover it is. Kitten can play, rest, and dustpan I kept there so that it can fall. I'll pray to Allah Pak, inshallah ta'ala, amin summa amin. My grains are there, and baby tub and water for Pidgey the pigeon, Blackie the crow, Sparry the sparrow, mashallah. Greeny the parrot sometime comes, and Mai the myna. These are my plants, mashallah, alhamdulillah. Always plant lot of plants, inshallah ta'ala, amin summa amin. You'll get lot of nekis from Allah Pak, and it controls flood also, It gives a positive energy. Kitty. She's licking her hind limbs. Mashallah, playing with the sponge.